Are you ready?
I think so.
Bust out the moves there, Adam.
Yeah. How did you start?
Both hands on there and then those 2 feet there, down there.
2 feet?
Yeah, just put one of those 2 small black ones down there.
Do you have 2 feet, a left and a right?
Alright, I'm good now.
There you go. You get your left hand over first, into that purple one.
Holy fuck.
Or like that. Yeah, use that purple one. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. There's a white one there too, yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, you got this.
God, you make it look way too easy.
There it is. There's a white one down at your left foot.
Where? Down here?
Yeah, that's it. I didn't know about that one. You got it now. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet.
Good work.